Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best creatine for women is probably one of the most talked about supplements in the fitness world, and for good reason. Creatine can be a game changer for women looking to enhance their workouts and build that dream physique, especially when it comes to booty gains. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of creatine, exploring its benefits, and helping you decide if it's the right choice for your fitness journey. Number 5. BulkSupplements Creatine Monohydrate Powder. This provides 5 grams of creatine monohydrate in each serving. It's a well-researched amino acid supplement, popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. They often include it in their routines to support strength and performance. This is often used before and after workouts. It helps support training goals and aids in exercise recovery. It's a great choice for those looking to maintain consistency and see progress in their fitness journey. It's a staple in sports nutrition and has earned its place in many performance-focused routines. This is ideal for both beginners and experienced users. It helps support energy, strength, and endurance. This is manufactured in a facility that follows current good manufacturing practices. This ensures a consistent and reliable product. This reflects our commitment to quality in every step of the process. All supplements are produced with a focus on clarity, consistency, and high standards. Every batch is tested to help ensure quality and peace of mind for wellness-focused consumers. What we like. This product offers pure creatine monohydrate, perfect for supporting your workouts. It's designed to be taken before and after your training sessions, helping you stay consistent. If you're looking for a reliable supplement to boost your energy and endurance, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Works so well, I feel like a beast when I take this. Helped me push out more reps than I would have been able to on my own, since I easily get tired out due to a health condition, and I notice I'm able to use higher weights per rep too. BulkSupplements micronized creatine mixes incredibly easy. I've noticed a clear improvement in my strength and the number of reps I can push in the gym. Number 4. Cellucor Cor-Performance Creatine Monohydrate, 72 servings. Are you looking to boost your workout performance? This product supports an increase in muscular power, endurance, and growth. It's designed to help you push your limits. Want to build and maintain lean muscle? This supplement contains 5 g of creatine monohydrate in every serving. It is a great addition to your fitness routine. Tired of clumpy supplements? The micronization of this product improves mixability and water solubility. It mixes easily for a smooth and consistent drink. Do you prefer a versatile supplement? This product is unflavored, making it perfect to use individually or paired with your favorite pre-workout, BCAA, or sports drink. It is easy to incorporate into your current regimen. Please note that the packaging of this product may vary. However, the quality and benefits remain the same. Get ready to experience the difference. What we like. This creatine is formulated to increase your strength and promote lean muscle mass. Its excellent mixability ensures it blends easily into your favorite drinks. If you want a simple, effective way to build and maintain muscle, it's a great option. What people say. It dissolves easily, it doesn't taste like anything, so you can mix it with whatever. Great value for the price and super easy to use. I love the serving size and it works 100%. Muscle mass was noticeable after about 2 or 3 weeks. Arms really filled in. The extra water weight was minimal, and during my workouts I noticed I could easily add way more reps to my sets. Flavorless, dissolves easy and fast, and mixes well with ocean powders, milk, water, etc. Each serving packs 5 g of creatine, which is the sweet spot for building strength, endurance, and muscle. After a couple of weeks, you'll notice the difference. Heavier lifts start feeling lighter, recovery gets faster, and your muscles start looking a little more, well, intentional. The micronized texture is clutch. It mixes effortlessly, no chalky clumps, no gritty residue at the bottom of your shaker. I usually throw it in with my pre-workout or protein shake, and it disappears like magic. Since it's unflavored, it plays nice with whatever drink you're already using. Number 3. Jacked Factory Growth Surge Post-Workout. Are you ready to take your workouts to the next level? This supplement is designed to help you build lean muscle and recover faster. It's the ultimate post-workout solution. Growth Surge contains key ingredients like creatine monohydrate and L-carnitine. These ingredients work together to support muscle recovery and enhance your strength. Consume it after your workout to kickstart the process. Each ingredient is backed by research to boost your performance. It uses premium-grade ingredients in science-backed doses, including the best form of creatine. It's proven to increase strength and muscle growth. This post-workout stack includes L-carnitine and betaine. It helps minimize fatigue and maximize recovery. It fuels lean muscle growth and increases your strength in the gym. Training hard requires optimal recovery. This product helps improve muscle recovery and reduce soreness. You'll feel refreshed and ready for your next workout with increased strength. All products are manufactured under strict quality control standards. This formula is free of harsh chemicals and artificial additives. You can trust its purity and potency. What we like. This supplement is designed to maximize your post-workout recovery and muscle gains. It includes ingredients that help minimize fatigue and increase strength. If you're looking to recover quickly and build muscle, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I've ordered this a few times now and I can see the results when I use this versus one before. Notice it does help in muscle recovery. I love the swolberry flavor and it genuinely works. I worked out a week with and without this and I could tell my muscles were more sore without. Number 2. Sports Research Creatine Monohydrate. This creatine powder is designed to support your strength, endurance, and lean muscle when combined with regular exercise. It may help improve cellular energy for peak performance, whether you're lifting or building a routine. Each scoop delivers 5 g of pure creatine monohydrate. This key compound helps fuel ATP production, promoting greater power during workouts and faster post-exercise recovery. It's a simple, effective way to build strength and support your training goals. This micronized creatine powder dissolves smoothly in cold liquids. It blends easily into your favorite pre-workout, post-workout, or recovery shake. There are no flavors, no clumping, and no added sugars. This product is non-GMO project verified, informed sport tested for banned substances, and third-party tested for quality and purity. It's made without soy, gluten, or artificial ingredients, so you get only what you need. Sports Research craft supplements backed by science and made for real results. This creatine is micronized for better absorption and trusted by athletes. It supports strength, stamina, and muscle recovery. What we like. This creatine is designed to support your strength, endurance, and lean muscle. It promotes faster post-exercise recovery. If you're looking for a supplement that's easy to mix and helps you reach your fitness goals, you should consider this one. What people say. The powder mixes easily into water or a shake with no clumping or odd taste, which makes it simple to take daily. It's also nice that it's unflavored, so I can add it to anything without changing the flavor. I've noticed better muscle recovery, less fatigue after workouts, and even a slight increase in strength and endurance. It's unflavored and micronized, so it mixes really well into water, pre-workout, or even a smoothie, no gritty texture or weird taste. Number 1. Sunwarrior Active Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Are you ready to elevate your performance? This product is designed to boost your focus, build your muscles, and increase your energy. It helps you grow your muscles and strength. Creatine provides a continuous supply of energy to your muscles, aiding in muscle repair. Naturally found in muscles, it helps you harness your potential with muscle gains and amplified strength. Research shows that supplementing with this product can improve your strength and lean muscle gains. It helps build muscle, aids in muscle recovery, and provides energy for a stronger workout. This is one of the best supplements for improving strength and high-intensity exercise performance. It works by increasing your capacity to produce ATP energy, giving you the power you need. Sunwarrior prioritizes the cleanest, highest quality ingredients. This product contains no synthetics, no fillers, and absolutely no animal products. It's also tested by an ISO-certified, third-party lab. What we like. This creatine boosts your focus, builds your muscles, and increases your energy. It aids in muscle recovery and is vegan and keto-friendly. If you like a supplement that supports your lifestyle and enhances your workout performance, you should try this one. What people say. Definitely helps me with my workouts. It mixes easily and helps with my hormones. I've noticed muscle growth and like that there is no taste. You can pretty much add it to any drink. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.